Bluetooth option missing in Windows 11, no Bluetooth toggle in settings. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's start. First, press Windows key plus X. Click on Device Manager. Click on Show Hidden Devices, then on your Bluetooth device and enable it. Then click Action, then Update Drive, or then click Search automatically for drivers. If not found, you can also download drivers for your device model and update them from here. If still not working, press Windows plus R and run this command. Press Bluetooth Audio Getaway and hit Restart, and do same with Bluetooth Support Service. If it's still not working, we will troubleshoot the problem. Disconnect the Bluetooth device. Click the link in the description. You will be redirected to Troubleshoot page. Just copy me exactly. Your problem should be fixed by at least one of these solutions. Ask any doubts and comments and drop a like and subscribe if it helped.